love bubbles. Wow. We blow big bubbles. Wow. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at that way. It's so much fun. Our mums love bubbles too. Catching bubbles.
Whoa, yeah. With my face.
And the big bubbles.
Oh, I think. Look. Wow.